Hello there. Right, I've got this Galaxy Tab. I don't know if it's a 2. I think it's a 3 actually. Galaxy Tab 3 P1010. Need a screen replaced on it. So I just thought easy enough. Take the glass off and just change the glass and put the new one on, basically. So this is how I went basically, and then it took me ages to find out how you actually do it. So I'm going to show you this video, and I hope it helps you to fix yours, basically. So this is what I've done first, yeah? This is going to look easy as it's already apart. So basically this is the new screen, but just saying this was the old screen. I've levered it off, basically, the screen all the way around the edges. Nice and gently, and the glass comes off on its own. Get this off. So I'm trying to do this with one hand and film it at the same time. Hold up 2 seconds, I'll be with you. Right. Sorry about that. Right, there we go. So I've took the screen off, yeah? And that's what you'd end up with, like that. Yeah? People say remove the back cover. So I removed the back cover. And that's how the back cover looks. So now the screen's off and the back cover's off. But you need to connect the screen cable, what's here, and go through there into there. So by looking about and loads of videos on YouTube and here, there and everywhere, I find out there is 2 screws, one there, one there. Undo them 2 screws, and then when that's off, hold up 2 seconds. So there we go, that's that. Basically what you got to do is slowly round here, starting from probably maybe the centre in here, and just lever this grey bit out of the chassis, basically out of the bezel, yeah, all the way around, and then leave the top bit where the headphone jack is to the last. So you go round that way, all the way round up to here, so that all the way around, and then that will come out of there like that, and then you can get to everything. But they don't show you that on the video or tell you that, so this is why I've done it basically. And then you can fit the glass, put it back into the bezel, and put the back cover back on. Yeah. Sorry about the quality of the video. It's a quick video as I'm doing this repair for someone, and then they are waiting for me. But I just thought I had to do it and just show you how it's done. Any questions or would like me to do the repair for you? There I am. There's my mobile number. Or leave me a message, and I'll try and help you as much as I can. Thank you very much.